What's up, guys? Today we're back in the vlog, and as you can see, it's raining. And today I'm going to be following two games. So I'm off. Later, alligators. You gotta try that. You gotta try that. You gotta try it. Ready? Bro, try it. I'll hold your phone. Try it. It's a big puddle. Jump inside it. My mom is gonna be so mad at me. Jump in!
So we're having fun in the rain. There's a swing. There's a spider. So we found this AK-47. Doesn't work anymore.
Okay, we're gonna swing.
It works.
Yeah, go to this rescue that.
Oh crap! Ryan's gonna be so mad. Hey Ryan, your electric gun is left out there. It doesn't shoot anymore.
Come back out! Oh my gosh, hit.
But we're literally gonna die out here of hypothermia.
Clear that water.
Bro, how?
I don't know what to do. That water is so mud. We're ready? Oh, let me jump. Oh my god. That was so good.